मैं शुक्ला गीतिका मैं तीसरी कक्षा में पढ़ती हूँ। आज मैं कहानी सुनाऊंगी। बड़का एक मुर्गी थी, उसके 4 बच्चे थे। एक दिन मटर के खेत में गए थे, सब लोग मटर खाने लगे। एक बच्चे की चोंच में मटर का दाना फंस गया, बच्चा रोने लगा। पास में एक बगुला रहता था, वो जड़ से मदद करने के लिए आया। वो अपनी चोंच से मटर का दाना निकाल दिया, बच्चा खुश हुआ। बगुले ने कहा, मेरे जैसे सबकी मदद करना धन्यवाद।
Today's conversation about importance of meditation. Let's start conversation. Good morning, friends.
Good morning, Charlie.
Hey, friends, we are looking so serious. What happened?
I have an exam tomorrow and I'm feeling nervous.
Same here. I studied, but my mind is running everywhere.
Then I had a simple solution.
What is it?
Meditation.
Meditation? Do you have to sit like a statue?
No, you don't have to be a statue. Just sit comfortably, close your eyes and focus on your breathing.
Will it really help me remember my lesson?
Yes, regular meditation can help to stay calm and improve your concentration.
Wow, maybe I should meditate before opening my textbook. Then I will meditate before opening my school bag.
How many minutes should we meditate?
You start with just 5 to 10 minutes every day.
Can we do it together at school?
Great idea. We can meditate for a few minutes after our classes. When our minds will refresh, we can pay better attention.
Exactly. Meditation is not only for adults, it is also useful for students.
Okay, friends, from tomorrow, no excuses.
Yes, stay calm, happy heart, and learning.
Let us meditate.